is Justice Njuguna. I am the presiding judge, Embu High Court. Today we had a CUC meeting for the county CUC, and the main agenda for today's meeting was to discuss how to train people in the AJS in Embu County, because we need to roll it out. And this is in view of the Honorable Chief Justice vision of social transformation through access to justice, that we need to transform our societies through access to justice.
My name is Maurice Kimuli. I am an advocate. I am also a member of the National Steering Committee on Alternative Justice. It is a committee of the judiciary. And we have been going round in line with the guidance, leadership, and direction of the Honorable Chief Justice to popularize and to sensitize people on alternative justice systems, modes of dispute resolution that do not necessarily involve the court, but that are part and parcel of what the people are familiar with and what people call justice. And alternative justice is working miracles in this country. The courts have embraced it. The people have embraced it. We see in a lot of people now taking their disputes away from the courts and resolving them in a manner that is amicable, in a manner that leaves peace and restoration in the community.
Out there, we have the small claims court. For small debts of 1 million and below, you don't have to come to the main courts. Okay. If it is filing fees, we have reduced it now. The maximum you can pay is 1,000.
Where the claim is below 1 million. This is a court that uses very little procedures, and decisions in that court are determined. Decisions are made within 60 days. If you file your matter today, the 29th of April, 29th of June, you have your case.
Aikaria mwena wa Bamba huko ni kaunti-ini ya Kilifi ni